Good evening, everyone. My name is Michelle McLennan. I'm a third grade teacher at Langston Hughes Elementary School in Lawrence, Kansas. One of the resources that I came across and was introduced to from one of my third grade colleagues is, of course, the Storyline online. I feel that this would be a wonderful resource for me to use in my classroom during my small group reading times. These books happen to be lower level reading books, so they would work for your K through 3 grade levels, probably nothing a little higher than that. I did find out that this is available as a website online. This is also a site that you can download in your app store using either an iPhone or an iPad. Unfortunately, all I have are Apple products. I would assume that they would also be available on Android. This is a free app and a free website. You will, of course, need Wi-Fi in order for the website to work on your computer. Using the app, though, you should be good to go as long as you have a data plan. So to get us into this website, we would, of course, go into your domain, your search domain. I prefer to use Chrome. And go to storylineonline.net. As you can tell, I've already been there a couple of times. You click right in, and this is a very easy to use website. What is nice is that these stories are read by famous actors. As far as I'm concerned, and studies have shown that reading aloud to children will help increase their own learning and fluency, and of course the all-important intonation. The website is very simple to use. All you have to do is, of course, go to the All Books. Gives you a list of titles, alphabetical order. One of the books that really I found very intriguing was the book Chester's Way. In my classroom, I happen to use American Sign Language. I did have a student a couple of years ago who not only had Down syndrome, but he also had autism and was nonverbal. One of the things we decided to do in my class, between myself and my students, was to incorporate the American Sign Language into our classroom. So I thought that this was amazing. Not only is it read by the actors, but it is also signed using American Sign Language by one of the actors as well. I will show you a small piece of that book right now.
Welcome to Storyline Online, brought to you by the Screen Actors Guild Foundation. I'm Katie LeClaire. And I'm Vanessa Morano. Today I'm using American Sign Language for the deaf and hard of hearing viewers. And we will be reading Chester's Way, written and illustrated by Kevin Hinckus. Chester had his own way of doing things.
Hello, my name is Chester. I like croquet and peanut butter and making my bed.
He always cut his sandwiches diagonally. He always got out of bed on the same side. And he never left the house without double knotting his shoes. Chester always had the same thing for breakfast: toast with jam and peanut butter. And he always carried a miniature first aid kit in his back pocket.
So as you can see, this is a wonderful representation of using American Sign Language in the classroom. Now, of course, this would be a book that I would assign to my individual reading groups based on their reading levels. What is nice about this program as well, as you can see right here, that there is a teacher's guide. When clicking on that teacher's guide, then it brings you to some different opportunities to incorporate. These are lesson plans that are created by early elementary education teachers. Talks about the themes of acceptance, manners, friendship, courage. As you scroll down a little bit more, you'll find the standards, Common Core standards, which are aligned, of course, to the state of Kansas, definitely. There are reading activities, there are writing activities, and there's cross-curricular activities as well. It's a wonderful program. As far as the Blooms, this would definitely be lower level remembering and understanding. With the SAMR, it would be substitution, augmentation, which of course are the lower parts of enhancement. Thanks for watching today. Bye-bye.